from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.6% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
The S&P 500 is up nearly 3% since the end of December and stands near record highs, driven in part by expectations of a US economic soft landing, in which growth remains stable while inflation cools. The US dollar inched lower to end last week, after data showed inflation rose modestly in December but was trending lower, which should keep the Federal Reserve on track to cut interest rates by the middle of the year. Oil prices rose for a second week in a row and settled at their highest in nearly 2 months on Friday, as positive US economic growth and signs of Chinese stimulus boosted demand expectations, while Middle East supply concerns added support.
Thank you. And now, moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1100 hours GMT. The Irish consumer confidence will be released at 0000 hours and 01 minutes GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.